Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In this video also we are going to continue the topic graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. Question: for each of the graphs given, select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. There is given a graph. We have to find out the equation of this graph. In previous all cases, we have studied how to draw the graph of an equation. Here graph is given. You have to find out which equation's graph this is. Here given four equations you can see. X plus y equal to 0. Y equal to 2x. Y equal to x. Y equal to 2x plus 1. Which equation's graph is this? We have to find out. So, for that, here you can see two solutions. The first solution is 0, 0. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. Second solution is 1, 2. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 2. So, we can check in which equation these solutions are true. So the first equation is x plus y equal to 0. There we can try this solution first. 0, 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0. So we can give x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 in this equation. We get 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Right side also 0. So the first case it is true. Next solution is 1, 2. X equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Here we can give x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. We get 1 plus 2. It is 3. It is not 0. So in the second case, it is not true. So this is not the graph of the first equation, x plus y equal to 0. Now let us check the second equation. So in the second equation, we can try this solution. First solution is 0, 0. X equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So if we give here, we get 0 equal to 2 into 0, that is 0 equal to 0. It is true. Second case, x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. If we give x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in this equation, we get 2 equal to 2 into 1. We get 2 equal to 2. It is true in the second case. First case and second case, both are true. So we can conclude this is the graph of the equation y equal to 2x. So in the second case, we got the answer. We no need to check for the third and fourth. We can conclude it here itself. This is the graph of the equation y equal to 2x. Second graph is given with the solutions minus 2, 0 and 0, 4. Here the equations are given. First equation is x plus y equal to 0. Second equation y equal to 2x. Third equation y equal to 2x plus 4. Fourth equation y equal to x minus 4. Let us check it. So consider the first solution minus 2, 0. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. If we give x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0 in this equation, we get minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2. It is not 0. So we can conclude it is not true. So it is not the graph of the equation x plus y equal to 0. Now let us check for y equal to 2x. The first solution minus 2, 0. X equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. We can give x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. In this equation, we get 0 equal to 2 into minus 2. That is 0 equal to minus 4. It is also not true. So this is not the graph of the equation y equal to 2x. Now let us check for the third equation. First solution is x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 0. We can give a y equal to 0 and x equal to minus 2. In this equation, we get 0 equal to 2 into minus 2 plus 4. That is 0 equal to minus 4 plus 4. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4, we know it is 0. So we get 0 equal to 0. So the first solution is true for this equation. Now we can check for the second solution. Second solution is 0 for x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. Let us check it. So we can give a x equal to 0 and y equal to 4. In this equation we get 4 equal to 2 into 0 plus 4. That is 4 equal to 0 plus 4. So we get 4 equal to 4. It is true. So both the solutions are true in this equation. So we can conclude this is the graph of the equation y equal to 2x plus 4. Since it is right here, no need to check for the fourth equation. Next graph is given with the solutions 0, minus 4 and 2, 0. And the equations are x plus y equal to 0, y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x plus 1, y equal to 2x minus 4. Let us check it one by one. So let us check the first solution for this equation x plus y equal to 0. X equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4. If we give x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4 in this equation, we get 0 plus minus 4 equal to minus 4. It is not equal to 0. So this equation is not true. So we can conclude this graph is not represented by this equation x plus y equal to 0. Now let us check for the next equation. So if we give x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4 in the equation y equal to 2x, we get minus 4 equal to 2 into 0. That is minus 4 equal to 0. It is also not true. So this graph is not represented by the equation y equal to 2x. Now let us check for the third equation. If we give x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4 in this equation, we get minus 4 equal to 2 into 0 plus 1. That is minus 4 equal to 0 plus 1 minus 4 equal to 1. It is also not true. So this equation also not the right answer. Then last one we can check. If we give x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 4 in this equation, we get minus 4 equal to 2 into 0 minus 4. That is equal to minus 4 equal to 0 minus 4. That is minus 4 equal to minus 4. It is true in the first case. So we can consider the second solution. Second solution is 2, 0. X equal to 2 and y equal to 0. Let us check. So if we give x equal to 2 and y equal to 0 in this equation, we get 0 equal to 2 into 2 minus 4. That is 0 equal to 4 minus 4. 0 equal to 0. It is true. So both solutions are true in this equation. So we can say this graph is represented by the equation y equal to 2x minus 4. So in such questions, you have to give the value of the solutions in each equation and verify which is true. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.